Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 4, 2020. Today's video is about Michael L. Gernhardt. Michael L. Gernhardt, born May 4, 1956, is a NASA astronaut and bioengineer. Before becoming an astronaut, he worked as a professional diver and project engineer on a variety of subsea oil field construction and repair projects. A four-flight veteran, Gernhardt has logged over 43 days in space, including 4 spacewalks totaling 23 hours and 16 minutes. In October 2011, he participated in the NEEMO 15 mission in the DeepWorker submersible, a small submarine used as an underwater stand-in for the space exploration vehicle, which might someday be used to explore the surface of an asteroid. This photograph shows Gernhardt attached to the robotic arm of Space Shuttle Endeavour during a spacewalk as part of the STS-69 mission in 1995, with the pale blue Earth serving as a backdrop. Unlike earlier spacewalking astronauts, Gernhardt was able to use an electronic cuff checklist, a prototype developed for the assembly of the International Space Station. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.